how to reset Adobe Photoshop default settings. I will show you two methods. The first one will be easy and other one will be in some of laptops, some of version will not show, so I will give you manual option also. Now the first option is go to edit, then preferences, and then general. If you come to the general, you will see here in most of the computers you will see reset preferences on quit. Click on that, click OK, and then restart your Photoshop. Now in case you are not getting that option, so I will show you. First of all, you need to go to your C drive, and in the C drive go to users and then your username. Now from here go to view and click on hidden items. Now go to app data, go to roaming, then Photoshop. Now go to your version, that which version you have installed, but before doing that just close the Photoshop and then go to your version. Now from here you will see Adobe Photoshop CC settings. So if you open, you will see all the settings. Now simply delete all these, but before doing that just copy and create a new folder, put all the settings here. Now delete this button, this folder. Now open your Photoshop and you are done. Now your settings have been resetted, all the settings. Now in case if your Photoshop giving any error, so you can simply come here and copy these files and create the same folder and you can paste it there. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobo YouTube channel.